Hello, hello, hello. We are live. We are live. We are open, available, and ready to accept all incoming queries. Mailbox open in the chat. Okay, so not too heavy coding today. We'll be sitting back, we'll be exploring a few things, looking at how we can use LLMs to our advantage. Let's see. Let me just drop in on Discord, and so this is our Discord, by the way. Join the Discord. Okay. Weird plug. And like a red dot or something. Yes. Even here. Red dot. Yeah. Yep. Okay, that's bad, but still. That lets everybody know that we are live. Okay, so we will be doing a lot of things, and something else that we won't be doing is we won't be making uh, a whole product out of this. Okay, we might in the near future. If you want, we could make something around prompt engineering and things, but today we'll be sitting back and exploring uh, LLM prompting. Okay, I'll use Gemini AI Studio or Google AI Studio, where we can prompt Gemini, and that the reason for that is it's free and it's simple to understand. So you can look at a few things that will touch and be easy for everybody to be on the same line. Yeah, we'll start here. We'll start from scratch. Okay, we'll start in the create prompt section. You can have your own library where you can have prompts, but we'll start here on the create prompt section. Let's try Flash. We'll start with Flash, temperature 1, and all these things. We'll be looking at all these things, like grounding. Okay, so that makes that searches for responses on the internet and looks for something. Okay, that's another thing that we could have. There is function calling. So I'll explain when we'll start using this. We'll get to know. Welcome to the stream, Shreya. Welcome to the stream. Um, so it asks us what we will be building. What should we build? Because we are simply prompting and getting some output of from it. I think. Okay, one sec. I think I forgot to post. Uh, 0803 -3. I think that makes sense. This one. Yeah, I think this one fits. This one makes a lot more sense. So you might not see anything happening, but I'm doing something on the side, and I just need 1 minute so we can get started. Just need to let everybody else know that we are live, so we could have more people joining in. There are a lot of things that I don't know, a lot of things that I don't want to know. This is not any of them. Yeah, no, yeah, no, no. Yeah, this fits. Okay, I think that fits. And I'll just copy this and send it over to this. Which one? This one. Okay. not here, and not here, and that will do. Yes, I think that makes a lot more sense. Yes. Okay, so we are here, and let's continue. Let's map out a few things, and then we'll continue along those lines. Okay, so let's map out a few things. So let's write tasks, and let's set the file type to document. Set file type to like markdown, markup, markdown. Yes, so that makes it a little better. Okay, we want to make AI talk in a certain way. Okay, which could be like let's say let's say it talks in Australian accent, casual British accent, and maybe like a chill American accent. Uh, we'll try with these and then we'll see what happens. We'll start with this. I also okay. Let's just for fun. We'll make it like a pirate act. Uh, talk like a pirate and also like a pirate captain. Let's say. And also, what else? What else is fun? Let's say it also talks like Squidward. Squidward from SpongeBob. So the last two will be fun. I want the first three to be done, so that will set up a very good baseline. And once these three are good at it, then the rest of the stuff is just a little more of prompting. So we'll enjoy the last two. We while prompting, we also need to make the prompt modular. Modular, so you could write code around it. Okay, so I'll explain. Okay, and also like happen. So will happen. I think I'll change the order. I'll make this one the second, so it comes in on the fun first, and then does rest of the things. I don't know about these two. We might like them, we might not like them. I don't know how the accent is, what the accent is. Squidward from SpongeBob, why not? I think this would be this, and this would be the most fun. So let's see. This we'll keep this list here, and we'll keep looking at things that way. Okay, so let's tell the LLM to straight up. Okay, one thing that you always need to make sure when you're talking to an LLM. By the way, is the sound clear? We had some audio problems in the last few streams, so I'm just checking if the sound is good or not. Like, is it panned to left or right, or is it too low? Is it too hazy? Like, whoever is in the chat, whoever is watching, is the sound good? Because if I uh, go back and listen to it, I'll always have the same problem of my headphone going into mono. Great. So Chef says everything is fine. Thanks a lot, Chef. We'll continue with we'll take your word for it. And let's continue. Let's see what we have. Um, so when prompting, with whatever I've heard so far, and whatever I've tried, when we are prompting LLM, that basically means we are telling the LLM to do something, provided some context, okay, some background info or some related information about whatever we wanted to do. So a very simple prompt. Okay, before we directly jump into what we're trying to do, let's ask LLM what most people ask it to do. Let's ask it to maybe write code for us, but that is very common. Everybody does that. So let's ask LLM to write a post about this stream. Okay, I'll bring in the data for this stream, and we'll ask the LLM about this stream and ask it to like I don't know, maybe what let's ask it to write a Discord post. Okay. And we'll give it some information. We'll see how the information that we give it will change it. Okay, how that impacts the result. So let's just give it uh, let's just start writing some text. Okay. So I I want you to write a Discord post using the channel information that I will provide and the stream information that I will provide. Okay, so the system prompt is basically something that goes with every single message. So, or system prompt, you could say that this is the information that you don't want to repeat. So, in every message, there could be information that you want to repeat in every message. It is possible. Or, but in general, if there is anything that your conversation will always need to refer, like let's say in this context, the LLM always needs to know my name, okay, my channel's name, my channel's mood, so what kind of channel I have, and also what my aim is with my channel. So that way, it might be able to give me a more relevant uh, post. Okay, we are writing a Discord post, so that means that I'm writing this for my community. Okay, which already knows about me, so I don't have to go for the attention grabbing mechanism. What I need to do here is to engage them. This is what I need to do. So stream, this is the information that I'll provide. Okay, so I think that that is a good enough prompt. And then this is where I want to provide the information. So now what I can do is I can make it write something. I can ask it to write something for me. I'll give it like I don't want to give it JSON, so I'll just give it like let's say channel name like this. Right? Channel name TLDR channel mode. I just call it mode. You could just have it like what the channel is about, how I talk or what we do here. We'll just write fun, educative, engaging, yeah, chaos, learning, laid back, simple. Uh, yeah, I think that that should be fine. And channel description. Okay, this is something that you'll get very easily from any channel's description. If you know this, it's good. If you don't, no point. So let's not have this because a lot of channels have like very weird description. So I don't know if it works or not. Then you have stream title, which I'll copy from here. This is the stream that we are on currently, and stream description. Usually my stream has a very decent description about what we are trying to do, so I'll copy that. Yeah, I think that makes sense. And yeah, so there is our description. Okay, we already told it to write a Discord post, so I don't have to tell it here again. What I want to do is just give the information and let it do its thing. We are using Gemini 1.5 Flash. This is what it did. It's fast, and this is a Discord post. Okay, it's not difficult. It's simple, but what it did was I'm going live in a few minutes. Okay, so let's see if we can do something about this few minutes. Okay, because I might be generating this like 3 days from now. I might be generating this like 3 minutes from the stream. So let's edit this message and let's give it the current time. Current time is 0814 IST. Okay, I usually prefer giving it the time zone, so I might as well go ahead and change the resulting time zone if I want. So I can ask it that my stream is scheduled in IST, but my Discord uh, public right now is in, let's say, EDT, CDT, whatever. So American time, Europe time. And I want you to reference the time in their time zone. So reference the time in Europe time zone or Germany time zone, Berlin time or whatever. So we could do that. So this helps do that. So we are on 27th December 2024 at, okay, so current time is this. I think that is fine. And this I'll add this to the stream scheduled time, okay, which is 27 December 2024 at what, let's say 08, or maybe let's say at 9 p.m. 0900 IST. uh, this will be PM because we are using 12-hour format. I could also use 24-hour format, in which case I don't have to give it this AM PM thing. And yeah, I think that should be good enough. This is the button that you use to stop editing, basically save this thing and rerun the whole thing again on the new information. So it does this. Okay, what did it do? It gave me the time. It also gave me approximately 46 minutes, which again I can ask it to not do this. I'll add it here in the system prompt, so I don't have to give it this. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to guide the whole generation using the system prompt, and then we're giving it the required information in the user message. So this is system prompt. This is your user message that you start talking to, and this is the result that it gives me. Okay, we are using 1.5 flash, which isn't the best model. Okay, I'm intentionally using 1.5 flash, which is to show you that not every model is bad. It's just the baseline that what you want. I might be happy with this, okay, because it gives me a stream title, going live, a lot of things. I might be happy with this, I might not be. Okay, so we were doing something here. So I want uh, to say that round off any time approximations to nearest 5 minute mark. I think that makes sense. So I wanted to round off any time. So it gave me approximately 46 minutes. I wanted to round it off to its nearest 5 minute mark. So it'll either give me a 45, approximately 45, or an approximately 50. Which sounds a little casual, but it's much better than the 46-minute exact mark. Also, this is a post, so we don't have to be as specific. We just need to engage the people and give them a rough approximation of, yeah, 45 minutes. That's it. So I think that should also help us land somewhere. I'm just looking at things here, and let's see if we can give it something. Let's give it the stream link, the one that we already have. So let's try giving it the stream link and see what it does with it. Because I don't want to go and add the links. I just want to generate a message here and copy it and drop it wherever I want. So let's give it stream link, and I'll just get the link from here. I have it right here. Yes. And so now we have the scheduled time. We have current time. Current time is 8:18. This might be this is much better done with like a script, which basically adds current time here. The rest of the stuff is basically static. So it's not that bad. And yeah, we rounded it off, and let's see what happens. So it gives me something, it adds this, it says it's just about 20 minutes. How is it 20 minutes? 18 to 9 is not 20 minutes. How is it taking it 20 minutes? 8:18 p.m. to 9 is not 20 minutes. So we effed up a little bit by adding this. So uh, say the time in multiples of 5 minutes when approximating. I think that should also be good. So now I want to, what is this? Okay, doesn't matter. It cannot open links, doesn't matter. So now I don't have the button here because I did not edit this, but I have the button here because I want to generate this message again on the same prompt. So it all depends on how the generation happens. See, I'm going live in about 25 minutes. Is that right? Because if it is about 25 minutes, it is 20, 25 is 45. Nope, it is not. Because if the current time is 20 and the scheduled time is 9, no, it's not. It's not 25 minutes. It's more than 30 minutes at least. Close to 35. So yeah, so there is something wrong in our time approximation, and that is happening because we asked it to do it in multiples of 5. So let's remove that and let's regenerate the whole thing. Let's see if it gives me an exact value. Yes, now it gives me 42 minutes. So our time approximation is a little off. So that is not working. This is again a part of the process. We'll optimize and figure out what works. We did two things. It did not work. We know that it's in like 42 minutes. Yep. So um, time multiples of 5. What is this? Okay, this is also about relative time. So, when stating a relative time, which is let's just give it an example. That is 42 minutes from now or something like this. Uh, Always state the difference in multiples of 5 minutes. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it works. It should say somewhere close to, no, it again effed up in 25 minutes. Okay, it again pushed it to 25 minutes. Why did it do so? I don't know, but it weirded it up. Okay. Um, I think we'll prompt it later. We'll see if we can do something about it later. It says yes. It says 42 minutes. So okay. Mhm. Now, what else? Now I want, so we asked it to generate a Discord post. Okay. Now, I don't want to give it my channel information all the time because it's just redundant info. I don't want it to be there in all of my messages because it costs me tokens. So if I can add this information somewhere here, okay, if I can add this information here, that will help me basically optimize the input that I'm giving it. So it's still the same number of tokens, 507. That's what it was earlier. But now I don't have to give this information in every single message that I send. I just have to give it this information about the thing that actually changes. I don't want it to run on the information that does not change very often. Okay, so it did the same thing. Now let's try and run Gemini 1.5. I think that should give me a better result. Yes, because the bigger the model is, the slower it will be. Simple. But now it says less than an hour. Now this is much more engaging because then you do not know. So you'll look at it, you look at your time, and if you're looking at your time, you'll be like, yeah, okay, it's just about an hour. I'll wrap things up. So this is one way. But again, this is very formal. This Discord message is a little formal. So let's ask it to speak. Okay, so let's ask it to so we did this sort of. Okay, sort of. So this is almost done because now what it does is you can give this information once, your current time and your channel info, and then just give it the new information once, and it will keep generating. So this is the information that goes in with every single message. So if I'm generating a stream post here, and in the very next message I want to generate a video post. So let's say I have a video scheduled upcoming, which will come out, let's say 3 days from now. I can do that, but I don't have to give this information again. It already knows what my channel is, what my channel mode is. Now let's ask it to character impersonation, character information. Okay. Um, and just to make sure that it knows what to do with this character information, I'll tell it to talk in the way as stated in the character information. So you should talk in the same way as stated in the character information. So let's see what happens. I want it to talk like a pirate. So you are a pirate. You are a, let's say, sea pirate. Uh, who is fond of rum because they are definitely fond of rum and is very abusive, abusive verbally. The accent is the traditional pirate accent that has come down from the old pirate time. Let's see. So I just asked, I just told it something about who the generating body is, and also how they talk. And I also told it that it should talk in the same way as I said in the character information. So now things are connected. There is no disconnected information here. I said that it needs to generate a Discord post using the channel information that I'll give, which is here, and the stream information that I'll give, which is here. Okay, and also it needs to talk in the same way as stated in the character information. So character information is here, and each character information tells it what it needs to do. So one more thing that you need to always make sure is your data that you're giving your model is always connected. You reference everything, or everything is a part of something. There is no random thing here. So if let's say for no reason I just add my favorite dog, okay, or maybe my favorite cat. Frosty is my cat, or not even favorite. I have only one cat, so I'll just say my cat. So this my cat has no relevance to what I'm trying to do. So it might use it, but again, that is a point where things go unpredictably because you don't know. It's not related to your stream, it's not related to your channel, it's not even related to the character. So this information is uh, just hanging out there. So it might be useful, it might fuck up the whole thing, but this is something that you need to avoid. Don't give it information which is either not referenced anywhere or is not connected. Okay, avoid disconnected information. That way you'll always have predictable things. You'll know that okay, character information is used, channel information is used, Discord post stream information is used, stream information comes here. Everything here is all about streams, nothing else. And if I add something else here, then I'll have to tell it how to use it. Okay. If it's basically intuitive that this is also part of the stream but with a different name, that makes sense. Okay, but mostly you need to avoid disconnected information. Anything that uh, you don't want the model to be here. See, now the generation is in the pirate mode. This be your old pal, couple named them here. And I'll be telling you about the grand treasure we've been working on tonight. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Shit. For you all scallybags who ain't in the know, we'll be wrestling with these digital beasties, trying to bend them to a wheel. I suddenly went French for some reason. It's gonna be a laid-back voyage filled with chaos and enough air shenanigans to make you shiver your timbers. Be there. I'll be your vigil rat. Grab your gun, your rum, or whatever swell you fancy, and join me laugh. Oh, this is good. So it does talk about like that. Okay. But I want the structure of the post to remain like to have my post to have some structure. So post structure. So let's tell it. Paragraph one will be engaging introduction about the post and a very small mm, not a very small. I think I'm happy with engaging introduction about the post. And let's have paragraph two with like, links to the post and ask them to join. I think that is good. Welcome Akash, welcome. Take care, Raj Creations. Okay, I am getting a call for some reason. And let's generate this again. Let's see. So now it just gave me two paragraphs because I told it to give me two paragraphs. Should I pick this call? I think I should pick this call. I don't know. I'll be back. Something happened. Mhm. Yeah, it was. Mhm. Okay, so let's continue. We just got stuck somewhere. Okay. So now we got it to talk like a pirate. Okay, if you have a good okay, there is something wrong with sound. Is it? Is it low? Is it hefty? Let me see. Am I clear now? Like, is it better? Is it better? Is it not? Or maybe if you want, what I can do otherwise is I can do this. And now it should be better. Should not be weird now. Okay, so I'll keep this configuration then. So it's something to do with yeah, like sound or something. But yeah, we got sidetracked a bit there. Now let's see. We got the model to talk like a pirate and also generate a Discord post. So this is a Discord post by a pirate about my stream, which will probably go on like my Discord at some point. Okay, but now let's see how Squidward talks, or let's say hmm, okay. So who's next on the list? So we got the pirate captain done. Now let's get the Australian accent done. Let's see how the Australian accent works. You are an abusive because I wanted to be a little rude. Okay, not basically start swearing, but a little informal, a little rude. So that the post is basically by someone who doesn't care. Okay, so it's like you are a carefree and verbally abusive Australian. Okay, Australian. Okay. Also, if anybody watches this stream from Australia in the near future, no offense, I just like your accent. Okay, so I just want the model to talk like how you guys talk. I just like the Australian accent a lot. Australian with a strong accent. I think that should work. Let's see if that works. It is close. It is close. It is very close. Yeah, bloody legends. That's one of my uh, favorite intros. Yeah, bloody legends. Yes, get ready for some top nonsense from spring action. Yeah. So it does. We could test out the same thing with Flash. I don't think it'll do as good, but yeah, now that we saw the good stuff, I don't know how it'll do. It is close. It is still close. It's not that bad. It's still close. It's like good day legends of LameDev, but it's cracking. So this Flash is a little fast, but it's not as good with reasoning and logic. Pro is a little slower, but it's better with reasoning and logic. So the model size is exactly that. How good is it with reasoning and logic? So in what 40 bloody minutes. So that is that is how uh, an Australian would write a post for me. So this is what we are trying to do. How would a different type of people write this post for me? Then we could ask it to do a lot other things. Right now we're just sticking to Discord post because why not? And then we could ask it to write a lot more. Uh, okay, Australian accent, check. Okay, pirate captain, check. Let's give it the casual British accent. Let's see what happens if it is a carefree, verbally abusive, casual British dude. Dude, because I am a dude and I'm writing this. So again, okay. I think it did. It's close to the Australian accent. Even this is, I don't know, this is also a part of both Australian and British accent. So I don't know if this is close to British or not. Anybody watching from Britain or anybody who knows British accent, let me know. Uh, Also, for the guys watching in the chat, give me an Australian OP because why not? Let's have an Australian OP in the chat. Yeah, I'll start. I just like Australian accent. It's fun. It's fun to read. It's fun to enjoy. Yeah, I'll just mark this as check because it's close to the British accent. Then chill American accent is, I think we all know how a chill American is. Carefree, chill, carefree and chill American dude. We could split this into a North American, South American, but that doesn't matter. That does not even concern me a lot. The only thing that matters is they have a strong accent. It starts with howdy here. So we know it's American. It starts with howdy. We're kicking things off at 9 p.m. So it writes a lot of things. Check. And now time for Squidward, but I don't know how Squidward talks. So let's Google that. Uh, Squidward talking style maybe. How to do a Squidward walking impression? How to do just everyone's a critic. Oh, push police. How does Squidward talk? Oh, there is a Squidward AI voice generator, which ironically gives me a buy now button for some reason. Nice. Mhm. Oh, yeah, I think I could use this. I could use this information to ask my model to use that information. Yeah, Squidward JQ tentacles. I don't know what JQ is, but like, look at that. He has a very long name. Squidward JQ Tentacles, born on October 9, Lamau, even has a birthday. Great. And let's take the structure out because I just want it to be creative. The current time is 8. 39. So we'll update that as well, just to be close to the current time. And let's see. Yeah, let's see what it does, because I gave it the character information of tentacles, but it's writing as me. No, but it started writing as Squidward. So, good evening, everyone. SpongeBob's favorite developer is at it again with another. So this is basically Squidward writing the post for my Discord. So if I post this, uh, it will be like Squidward is writing this post like for my stream. So this is also a good one. Like, I mean, another tedious night interrupted by enthusiasm, because he's a grumpy neighbor. Like, he has problems with almost everything, as well as their co-worker. Yeah, Squidward resides inside an Easter Island head. His preferred pastimes include painting self-portraits and playing the clarinet. Yes, that is what Squidward is. Then So it appears SpongeBob's favorite developer. By the way, I'm like honored to be SpongeBob's favorite developer. Yes, is at it again with another one of these live streams. If you have absolutely nothing better to do with your Friday night, then listen to someone babble about prompt engineering, whatever that is. Then by all means tune in. Yes, apparently this laid back prompt engineering adventure involves taming LLMs. Sounds like an euphemism for torturing innocent computer programs to me, but who am I to judge? I spend my free time playing the clarinet and infinitely more noble pursuit. Shit. Bro is very obsessed with his clarinet. The pandemonium begins precisely at 9 p.m. IST. Consider yourselves warned. Yes. So this is basically a post which is inviting everybody to join, but also saying that beware, it's bad. It's not as good. So I like this. I like this more. But now that you have this information, you can ask LLM to write anything for you in a very structured manner. And also, just for fun, I'll be trying out a little more things. Let's get some more cartoon characters. Um, let's get some cartoon characters. Cartoon characters with descriptions. I think that makes sense. 57 icon. Yes. So we'll use this 57 iconic cartoons. Let's start with Mickey Mouse. No, who voiced? I don't care who voiced. I just want to know Mickey represents everything. No, I want. Okay, let's do one more thing. Okay, because we are prompting Gemini to write to write the actual post. I'll use Chat GPT to give me the character information. Okay, so give me top 10. Yeah, it was up. So give me top 10 uh, cartoons, cartoon characters of all time, and uh, along with a short description of their characters and way of way of talking. Character and behavior. Let's call it behavior. Yes, so we could use this information and uh, now what you could do is if you want to play around, okay, you could get like one of your favorite anime and get, figure out the characters. If you don't have this information like the behavior and description and all that stuff, just get any written information about them, like episode transcript or something, and give it to one of these LLMs and then ask it to give that information back. So you can use LLMs to their fullest, not just they do one thing, they do a lot of things. Just don't put everything in the same conversation because that will mingle a lot of things. I'll use Mickey Mouse. Let's see. Mickey Mouse. Is it Mickey or just Y? Yeah, it's EY. I was right. Okay. That, and I also want to give it the behavior. Yes. And that. Yes. I think that's happy. The cheerful, optimistic mascot. Yes. And let's see, because this is a very old character, the LLM might as well be trained on this. Gosh, well, it's almost time for some AI adventuring. Just a hop, skip, and a jump away from our laid back late stream. Yes, so this is very close to how Mickey would talk. I think this is very close to how Mickey would talk. Because this oh boy and this Kosh fellas, yes, this is how Mickey talks. So if you have like if you want, okay, you could have an text to voice model, right, or text to speech model here, and get this in voice. Just make it talk like this. We could also have Bugs Bunny. Let's try Bugs Bunny. Bugs Bunny. Okay, what if I don't tell it? What if I don't give it anything? I just say Bugs Bunny. Let's see if it knows about Bugs Bunny. It does, because the character is so old that the model was trained on it at some point. So yeah, it does know. This here Bugs Bunny coming at your live. No, no. So what I want is you should only copy the or imitate, with a better word, imitate the behavior of the character and not the name. You are to use the you are or you will use the name of the channel or channel owner when talking. I think that should make this post a little more relevant. Yes, so now it only copies the behavior of Bugs Bunny. It's not copying the name, it's not copying anything else. It's just, hey, what's up, docs? So that's how Bugs Bunny talks. But now it said I am here. So now I am Bugs Bunny. It's taking my information, but it's using the behavior of Bugs Bunny. That is how it works. Not Homer Simpson. I think SpongeBob does not have a very peculiar behavior. SpongeBob pants. Yes. Let's see how SpongeBob works. Mi Paco. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so it's also giving a relative time that's in just a little bit. So that's basically how you'll use prompt engineering. So uh, usually what people do is they simply ignore this whole system prompt thing and they keep adding information here. But the more important thing is everything that you give to your model should be connected. Okay, as long as your information is connected, having that hallucinations would be much less likely, because then what will happen is your AI model would have almost all the relevant information. If you don't know how to connect a particular part of information, just tell the model how to use it. Simple. If you don't know how to use it, you could just ask it to reference that information. Just make sure that everything that the model gets is interconnected. Okay, it starts with something, but then every uh, information pointer or every data pointer is referenced in some way. That is important when you're doing this. Scooby Doo, no. Charlie Brown, Fred Flintstone, Daffy Duck, Popeye. I would love to Here, how Popeye would write my post. Taming them whatchamacallits. LLMs? Sounds like a whale of a time. I'm spinach powered, ready for some learning and laughing with you. The lame dev chime me. 9 p.m. Okay, but what if I don't want it to copy the behavior. I want it to act on behalf of this character and write a post for me. So that would not hide the whole thing, but it'll feel a little more fun. I think that that should be better. So this is me talking as Popoy, and this is Popoy talking as Popoy, but on behalf of me. So this is Popoy writing my Discord post. So if I want, now that I think of it, I can make a very personal Discord bot for my Discord and ask the bots to pick a random character. I'll just give it a list of some of my favorite characters, and it'll generate a post like this, like one of these, and it'll publish it on the community page. Okay, because I think we do have a community page where I post out stuff. Not right now, but yeah, we do. So the bot could be anywhere. I could have like a private, maybe like a channel where I could give it commands to use a certain character and uh, create a post, and then it'll post here. It'll post everything here, which is much better because then people would be engaged. It's fun. I think this is a lot fun. Also, it's a lot better than seeing a human write a post because then like some of your favorite cartoon characters would be inviting you to join the stream. This is a good idea for us. So I think this would be a very good starting point for us. We'll be writing a Discord bot maybe in near future to do this. It'll be a bot that will uh, do all this AI thing and simply also I think uh, we'll even use the YouTube API to some point so that I can just give it give it the link. I can schedule the stream, give it the link, and it will fetch all the information that I want from there. Because when I schedule the stream, I add all pretty much all the information on the stream itself. So it will be much easier when it fetches everything. So I like this. I'm setting sail on a brand new adventure over on the old YouTube channel. We're gonna be taming these large language, or I call them muscle mouthy machines. But that's LMM, Popoy. That's LMM. It's not LLM. It's L muscle mouthy machines. What is LL? Come on, Popoy doing some random stuff here. Well, maybe not, but a sailor can dream party. Yeah, singing sea. Okay, okay. So I think this would be fun. Let's also ask it to emulate some more. Like, give me more. Uh, so let's see. So we have Donald Duck. I don't want that. Goofy would be a good one. Goofy would be a good one. Even Tweety would be a nice one. Let's see. But how do I know Goofy? I think this would be much better. So it knows which Goofy I'm talking about. I think there is only one Goofy, but just so it doesn't get confused. Yeah. See ya there, pal. Hot dog. Nice. Oh yeah. Tweety. Shaggy Rogers. Shaggy is Scooby-Doo's best friend. Yeah. Roadrunner. Uh, but does Roadrunner talk? I don't know. Yeah, Roadrunner does talk. But I want Willy eat Coyote. I want Willy. Let's see if Willy talks, and even if it talks, let's see how good it talks, how it talks. Beep beep, super genius. Yeah, it does. I think this is a very good thing that we did. We enjoyed a little bit and we had fun. I think, yeah. Jerry Mouse, Pink Panther would be another good one. Why Willy Coyote I already did right now. Patrick Star is from SpongeBob's. Bender Bending Rodriguez, Foul Morally question from Futurama. I don't remember. Um, but let's see if that's a foul mouth person. I think that it would give. It starts with meat bags. Nice. So this tells us that they are foul mouth. Simple. Bender here, crashing channel to announce some seriously cool shit in like 20 minutes. In like 20 minutes, so it's closed. Yes. So this was 40 and it was 9. So it is doing much better. I'm hijacking. I mean hosting a stream on the yeah. I think that's good. That's good. And it says Chronos. So for anybody who doesn't know what this reference is, Chronos is related to time. So it basically means that if you don't know what 20 minutes is, it's 9 p.m. IST for anybody who is very inclined towards the actual time. So grab your booze or oil if you're one of those guys. Nice. Hit up the link, join the chaos. It's gonna be legendary. Don't be late. I'll bend you into a pretzel. Just kidding. Unless this is good. This is good. This is good. What is Yogi Bear? Which one was this? Which one was this? Betty Boo. Uh, there was map, right? Dora had like a map and something. There were two. What was it? Dora, boots, and yes, maps. Okay. Foghorn Leghorn. What is this? Loudmouth from Looney Tunes. Okay. Velma Dinkley. I think this is also from Looney Tunes. Yes. He-Man, Dexter, Johnny Bravo would be a good one. I think Johnny Bravo would enjoy doing something like this. So just look at that. It's not as difficult as people think. It's also doing great. The only thing that I did was to give it all the required information and to keep it relevant. So I don't even have to give it like Johnny Bravo is like this certain type of character. No, but yeah, if you want to tweak something here in Johnny Bravo, you could just add a but Bravo, but in pirate accent. So it'll use Johnny Bravo as much as possible, but it'll also use pirate accents. So see, jolly good giant jargon machines. So yeah, so that is how you might as well tweak these characters. So it's Johnny Bravo, but yeah, in pirate accent. So it's that simple. Uh, and if I remove this pirate accent, it'll be much easier to get Johnny Bravo back. Load on something real cool happening over the LLMDev. Yep. So this they call it taming. Yeah, catchy, right? Sounds like we'll be messing around with these AI thingamajigs. Seeing what makes them tick. Expect some laughs, some whoa mama moments. A little bit of learning. Yeah. That's it. That's what we're doing here. So I think the next even let's see Peppa Pig. I want to see Peppa Pig. So at this point, like it's not even learning. I'm just enjoying having these people write up Discord posts for me. It starts with oink oink just because it's a pig. It starts with oink oink. Don't tell mommy pig. Nice, nice. See, and it also ends with an oink. This is good. I'm having fun. Yeah, we did Johnny Bravo. We could do Dexter. Uh, Some more, maybe. Let's see. Because there were a lot of characters. Even Courage, Lisa Simpson, Griffin, Ior. Ior is from Winnie the Pooh. Okay. Woody Woodpecker is again from Looney Tunes, I believe. Gumball Watterson, BoJack Horseman, Kim Possible. Kim Possible, I think, was its own cartoon. Yes. There is Zim. Okay. Uh, guys in the chat right now, I don't know, there are one or two people in the chat. Give me one cartoon character from your time. Okay. I don't care what it is. We'll just try it out. Give me one character each. Everybody give me like a few characters. So let's just have fun. Let's see how your favorite characters would do. Come on, guys, give me some characters. Give me some of your favorite cartoon characters. We'll try it here. We'll ask them to write a Discord post. Right now, we're going for a Discord post. So it is also important to note that this can be casual because it's for the known community. But I'm also thinking on asking it to write a LinkedIn post. So these cartoon characters will write a LinkedIn post. Formal, straight up, and reaching out to new people. I want to see how they reach out to different people. So far, they're only doing things that they basically are familiar with. So doing things with people they're familiar with. I want them to reach out to new people. I want them to have fun. Let's see. I just got an idea. How would Pikachu do this? Hi, I just want to know how Pikachu would write a Discord post for me. Pikachu. Nice. Nice. So this is what Pikachu would do. So this is Pikachu right here for you, just for fun. We got Pikachu to write a post for me. Okay, I also got some other idea. How would Snoop Dogg do it? Snoop Dogg, come on, man. My man Snoop, yo, what up? It's the D-O double G, Snoop D-O double G, yay! Like, just so you don't know, Snoop Dogg, M, these are even 50. These are some of my favorite people out there, and I do like to listen to them. So this is Snoop D-O double G writing a post for me. How would 50 Cent do it? 50 cents. It's 50. Guess what? I'm talking about vitamin water this time. Bro, it knows 50 was talking about vitamin water for a long time. We're diving into the world of AI things, LLM things. They say this much, so we're gonna put him to the test. Yeah, hit up the link and join the party. Yeah, I do like 50. But now for the big man. How would he do it? Or, yeah, so let's get Eminem first, then we'll get Slim Shady. Okay, it got up Slim Shady by like upfront. I ain't dropping a new album yet, but I'm dropping some knowledge bombs on you. In just a few minutes, we're gonna live. We're talking LLMs, man. Large language models. These things are like the AI version of a loaded gun, powerful as hell, but you gotta know how to handle them. Yeah. You mess around with the prompts, seeing what makes them tick, what makes them spit out go, and what makes them completely go haywire. Yeah, it's gonna be laid back, no BS session, so don't expect some stuffy lecture. Think of it more like a freestyle rap battle with a computer. Shit. M got it close. M got it straight up close. So tune in at 9 p.m. sharp. Grab your snacks, get ready in these digital beats. It's gonna be chaotic, it's gonna be fun. Yeah, might even learn a thing or two. Word. I don't know. What's his word? Like, does Shady say that? I don't know. Shady might say that. Who else? Who else? We got Snoop D O double G. I did like that. Snoop D O. It introduced itself as like this is D O double G. And yeah, I do like that. What else? Who else? Who else would be a good candidate for this? What about Tupac? It's okay. It's close to it's close to what M said. What up? But yeah, because they were in the same era, and at that point, it was very close to like they had almost similar wording. About 20 minutes going live about talking about wild language. Why? Yeah, I think Tupac is also a great one. What else? What else? Who else? Who else? A cartoon character? Anybody? Anyone you want to hear? I don't think it will be a lot relevant if it's not. But it works worldwide. So any it could talk like anybody. What else? What else? Who else? Who else can we try? I tried some of my favorites. I tried Tupac. I tried. Uh, we could try Biggie, but it will be the same era, so wording won't change a lot. Uh, yeah, let's say Tupac, but in rap mode. Let's see. Hmm. Or let's say not even rap mode. Let's say rapping. Not that. The other one. Yeah, Tupac wasn't like that. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. I think it's not fitting. We could try Eminem, but in or maybe Slim Shady, but in not but rapping. Not in rapping, but rapping. But rapping the whole thing. So just so it doesn't get stuck. Mic check. One, two. This is Slim Shady in the house. About to sprout. It's 8:39 p.m. I stick the clock stalking. Don't fret. It's fun. The fun's unlocking. 9 p.m. sharp, the show begins. Taming with the chaos pace. Taming LLMs a laid back quest, putting these language models to the taste. I don't know, I can't sing, bro. Prompt engineering, a YY ride with the LLMDev as a guide. Yeah, we're talking AI, the brain kind, spinning their will, molding their mind. Prompts are the key, the magic spell to make these digital geniuses well. I don't even know what beat this is. Like, let's ask ChatGPT what beat this is. Copy text. Um, let's figure out what beat this is. Uh, Based on the song lyrics above. Give me the beat and the beat. Give me the beat of the song and the melody. Let's see what it does. I don't know if it'll do or not, but lay combined with an upbeat slightly. Yep, tempo about 90 to 95 mid tempo groove. It did. Shit. Yeah, rap section. The rap verses should have a bounce to them with triplets and pauses for emphasis. Confident, yeah. Backing beat, minimalistic, just drums and bass to let the lyrics shine. Yeah. So we got another thing. We got another thing. Your song alternate between rapping. So here's yeah, chorus smooth and catchy, sing with melodic rise and fall. Two bar loop. Okay, so it's a two bar loop. C D E F and second line is a descending back to the root F E D C. So is this on the C scale? Did it drop it on the C scale? Might. Soft piano chords, yes, it could be subtle flute or whistle melody playing in the background for a chill feel. Yes, Add some vocal harmonics on the keywords like ignite and fight to emphasize them. Rising on the first line. So quest. So this much is the first set and this is the second set. So this is the 2 bar loop. This is all 4 bars. So this would be 2 bar. This would be another 2 bars. Okay. Bridge section is a vibe. It's chill. Click the link below. Don't be a fool. Join the LLMdev after the school. Sing past slower. Almost like a chant. Give it like a catchy hypnotic feel. Nice. Eminem without me. Like, whoa, bro. My favorite, bro. That's Slim Shady. Anderson Park, come down. Okay, laid back. And Black Eyed Peas, Where is the Love? Uplifting sings with the group harmonies. Yes. I might as well explore this one. Like I do like this because it sings that's just M singing the whole thing and it gives me a beat of about 90 to 95 which is which is a fairly good beat. Like it's not that bad. Hmm. Can I have like a DJ on the web or something like that? Because I don't want to mix, bro. I want like a FL Studio alternative, not open source. I just want online. Let's see. Online music production apps. Yes, audio tool is there. We could do this. Okay. So audio tool could be a good option. But where do I open this? How do I open this? Is this the link? Because it's the same link. Okay, it's nothing special. It's the same link. But how do we open this? Where is the link to this? Audio tool versus FL Studio. I don't know more about audio tools. Yeah, let's see what happens. Audio tools. No more alternatives. Just give me a link to this. How do I open this? Official website. Yes. So I just want like we'll take 10-15 minutes more and we'll spin out this beat at 90 to 95 BPM. Let's see. Yeah, let's sign up. What's this? What man? This? Yeah. What's this? That's rain. Okay. I'll take this to the next screen, sign in with my Google account, and we'll be here in no time. We'll spin up the whole beat. Yeah, I accept, but I don't want to subscribe. What username? Yes. So now I think we are here. So now we can pop this back in here. Yes. Music board. What is board? Yeah, production. I don't know. Sound design, arranging. I don't know. What is this? I want. What is this manual? Okay, this is the user manual. I want a new thing. I want to set up a new track. Studio. Okay, so that was there. Let's close that. Let's stick to the studio. Let's see what's happening. WTF? What is this? Is this an oscillator? Yep. Okay, that is an output controller. Okay. No, I don't want a booster. I want a beep. I want a metronome. So yeah, BPM. Let's set the BPM to 90. 90, it's a 4x4 with what is this? Okay. Let me know if you guys can hear that. I just want to know if you guys can hear that. Yeah, I think the desktop audio is there. Whoever is in the chat, let me know if you can hear the metronome going. Okay, if you can hear the clicks. Yeah, it was fun. So we did something. Okay. I want drums. So let's see. Yep, we have drums here. Okay, drums is connected to this board. So I think I can use this here. So it is connected to this channel for which I can adjust the volume. I think it's the same here. This one is the same as the other one. So we could use something else. What I want is drums. But how do we add drums? One and three. Pitch filter. Okay, load preset. Let's look for a drum. Okay. Uh, we are looking at trap drums. I think trap drums or dubstep drums would suit best. Okay, dubstep drums is a little extensive. Let's look at yeah, let's just go with trap drums and then we'll optimize it later. Okay, not that one. I want the other trap drums. Yeah, it's the same thing. Okay. Yeah. And let's play. Where is the play? Where is the play? Okay, so it's long. It's not just this. It's very long. So this is actually long, and I want to edit this. Grooves. Nah, preset. I could not do that. Copy pattern to note track. Copy pattern. No, I just want to edit the whole pattern. How do I do that? Is there some editing mechanism or something here? I think I lost a lot of my live viewers, but I am having fun. That is more important for me. You'll come back when you'll also have fun. So these are a lot of things, but what I want is to change this. I want to okay, it's 64, but I only want it to be like I didn't want it to be 64 beats long. Just give me like 16 beats. I think that should be good enough. Yeah, that works. So we have the drums. What did ChatGPT say about that? Drums on beats 1 and 3. Okay, so we'll have it on 1 and 3. So right now what we have is 16 beats. 16, yes, 16 beats. So we'll have a bar of uh, 4. So 1 and 3. So we'll just add 1 and 3. Snare. Okay, kick was this. Let's see. How does that sound? Okay, so 1 and 3 would be, I think, one, that's one, that's two, and three would be this. Five, yeah, this is three. Yeah. Snare or clap on 2 and 4. Hi-hats with a synchronized tick 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 feel. Okay, occasional eight base hits. Okay, so I think that should be decent. We got snares here. I don't think sonar ping trance would also be good, but sonar ping I could add just here, not here. And the hi-hat was like this. So just give it a tick tick feel. So this is how the tick tick would sound. And for the clap, I think I'll just add it on every other beat. And this one on a different. Let's not add that. For snare, let's add it here. Yeah, that's fine. Here, maybe here and here. I don't know. I just did something. Okay, if I remove this, what will happen? What now? Okay, so let's try. Yeah, I think that fits. That is a good creation. That we did something. Closed hi-hats with topic. Yes. Baseline could be a funky bouncing baseline to match the laid back. Yeah, I think I'll just go into FL Studio and produce this beat. I don't think so. This online tool could do it. I think that's it. We got this prompt engineering done. We got sidetracked a little bit with the audio thing, but yeah, I think that's all for today's stream, guys. We'll get back. I think I'll be building out the whole Discord thing in private if you want, or maybe we could have a stream for that and build the Discord bot together. Let me know whatever you want, and also drop in a comment called Discord bot if you are here at this point. And we'll meet soon. We'll see you together. Chill out.